Now, it's important to know that respiratory failure isn't just one thing. It actually comes in two very different flavors. A good way to think about it is like a power grid. Acute failure is like a sudden, total blackout. Everything goes dark, instantly. Chronic failure is more like a slow, creeping brownout, where the lights just get dimmer and dimmer over time.
And this really lays out those two different paths. On one side, you have the acute failure. It's sudden, it's brutal, and it is a life-threatening emergency. On the other side,